What is going on, everyone? It's Austin with Moon Trades, and today you are going to be learning in this video how to find the bottom after a drop in the stock market and potentially for a good opportunity to buy in. Number one is to get your overall direction. This simply is just so we can have an understanding on where the stock would be heading. Is it breaking highs and making higher lows? If so, we'll go to the 5-minute chart. Is it done breaking lows? No. So since it just broke lows, it would be finding its further distance down. Now, how do we know when it's done? How do we know where we can buy in? The number one thing to be consistent is just to watch. Don't get FOMO, which is the fear of missing out. Just watch. So what you would do is you would wait for it to bottom out, and the way you would know this is, first of all, find your previous support and resistance. But along with that, you have to be able to determine whether or not it validated a bounce on that area. And then with that, then you have to see whether or not it's breaking lower lows or is it starting to bust highs. So basically what I'm saying is the bigger picture, the 4-hour 180 day. If it hasn't broke lows and it's still ascending, then we're still growing. So the opportunity lies within your eyes. So if you see the opportunity, then you should take the opportunity. One thing to understand is, did it break lows when it fell? No, it did not. Did it push up and retest for highs? Yes, and it rejected and didn't make it. But did that happen before? Yes, it did. Didn't break lows, pushed up to retest and couldn't do it, and then pushed up and broke. Did it make lows? No. It pushed up and tried to retest, rejected, it couldn't do it, and then it's going to probably push up and try to retest at least that area again. These are the same tips that I use every single day to trade in the stock market and consistently profit to the point to where people will think you're lying. So don't get too conceited, but you will be doing an amazing job if you just basically understand higher highs, higher lows, and lower highs. Not doing the higher low pattern just makes the market complicated. You know, I hope you guys at least give this a try. You can go on your paper account, you can even go on demand to do a test run and just see. When it breaks highs, wait for it to fall back down on a pullback, and then that's the good deal area because it's probably going to be a higher low. Let it push up, sell its previous resistance no matter how close it is, and then that's where you get your consistency at. Previous resistance, I made another video about that, and you guys can go watch that on my channel. I really appreciate all of you guys tuning in, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I'll be making daily content, and we're going to do a live stream tonight over some stocks we're going to be buying into tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a blessed day.